Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Last week we wrapped up the fabrication for the radiator mounts. So this week we are moving back under the dash. We have these two aluminum rails here that we made earlier to mount the ECU. What we're going to do on those next is I've got a couple pieces of aluminum here. I've already cut these down. They'll fit in the middle and we will weld them in to give some extra mounts for the other electronics that we've got. Got another one right here. So I'm going to weld those two in, and then there'll be some drilling and tapping, some things to mount those other electronics. And then we'll work on the fuse panels after that, the two fuse boards that we've got, fuse and relay panels. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to do a bunch of welding in this, so I don't know how long this video will actually be, but making progress on all the electronics mounting so that we can start wiring. So anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, made some decent progress this week, just getting some electronics all mounted up here. I do have to get some hardware for this and this here still. I don't have the right stuff to bolt those up, but they're sitting in place where they would be. The wideband commander here, it just velcros in place. That's how they did it stock, so that's how I'm going to keep doing it. I still have some welding and stuff to do on this assembly here, so everything's just kind of mocked up right now, so I haven't put the Velcro piece on there yet for the wideband commander. But it's looking good. We've got our computer, our Billy Button, and our Rife sensors, plus the wideband commander. So still just pushing forward, getting closer towards wiring this up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.